Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you the Cambly promo codes. So in order to do that, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your web browser, and here you need to search for Cambly promo codes. Once done, you will be able to find the first website from Grab On. So you just have to simply click on it, and then it will redirect you on its official website. Now over here, as you can see that we have currently 5 verified coupons. So you just have to select any of the coupon codes in which you are interested. Let's say I want to get flat 25% off on the courses and subscriptions coupon. So you just have to click on the show coupon code option, and here this is the coupon code which you can use. So in order to use it, you just have to copy it from here and then go to the official website of Cambly. Over here you just have to sign up with a fresh account. If you sign up with a fresh account, then these coupon codes will be working fine. If you already have an account on Cambly and you haven't used that account on creating the on getting the subscriptions, then you can also use that account. So at the time of checkout, you just have to use the promo code, and this way you will be able to easily apply this promo code on Cambly and get the best discount for yourself. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching.